In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. An inspirational poem written by Shree Anand Krishna. The severity of the mortal pain I will overcome. The sheer weakness of my will I will overcome. I can't take this darkness anymore. This mortal world I can no more explore. My mortal back I shall rest on your immortal wall. In the depth of darkness I will no more fall. In the sacred earthen bowl you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. Your brilliant play of light my soul has seen. Through an intensity painful experience I have been. The flow of your divine energy and vibrations I have felt. A floating sensation in my ebbing I have felt. In this dimly lit world I have opened my eyes. In the darkness I have seen the brilliance of your golden skies. In the sacred earthen bowl you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. The scintillating and quivering rays of your mystic sunshine pours down my soul. Taking in the luminosity of space, inside my being is my goal. In serene stillness, I can feel the floating sensation. It is your grace and light that defines all my relation. Both the divine and the demonic forces on this earth I shall meet. Beyond the realms of light and darkness, every soul shall meet. In the sacred earthen bowl you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. I have got a glimpse of your lower earth-bound, astral world of dark forces. Only you can give me access to the world of light beings and their resources. Your mystical forms I can see, which are not perceivable to the physical eye. The vibrations of higher invisible cosmic energies I have felt in the golden sky. Only a few earthly beings can get a glimpse of your cosmic energy. Let your aura of divine energy give my soul the required synergy. In the sacred earthen bowl you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. Let me not conceive what I only see with my eye. Let me get a glimpse of your golden sky. To fulfill my selfish need, let me not destroy my spiritual environment. Let the dark forces not destroy my divine firmament. Let me not create my world based on sheer destruction. Let the dark forces not block my soul's resurrection. In the sacred earthen bowl you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. In vain I try to control the dark forces. These dark forces are beyond the control of human resources. Let the dark forces not control my soul. Let me not become a victim of their control. Permanently my soul has gained from your divine connection. From the dark forces I shall no more face any destruction. In the sacred earthen bowl you have planted my soul, O Mother of Nature. To avoid the dark pitfalls, your divine basic truths let me realize. your bright world. Let my soul analyze. The forces of evil darkness cannot contend with the absolute. Removing the manic state of fear, I shall make my heart resolute. The darkness can no more intimidate my soul. With your grace, I shall reach my cosmic goal. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, beyond all negative and positive aspects lies your being, your divine symbolism. Every creature has been seeing. With the forces of darkness, let me not vibrate with the same frequency. Let my heart not be open to such evil resonances and frequency. Your subtle material energies, my soul can perceive. Let your divine grace, my heart receive. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, to the evil dark forces, let me not be open. The doors to your powerful divine force, let me reopen. You are the Absolute, that is beyond any form of duality. For every creature, you are the divine reality. Creation of a harmonious world is my goal. Your higher consciousness, I have perceived in my soul. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, both my good and bad experiences, I have deeply understood. Realizing my true spiritual nature, the darkness I have withstood. To become divine myself, I shall try. On your bright world, I shall fully rely. To higher levels of action and expression, you can take my soul. To pave the way for a happier and higher living is my goal. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, a new divine potential in my soul has arisen. To heal my body, mind, and soul, your divine energies have arisen. To your subtler levels, let me raise my soul's vibrations. Let your grace sharpen my divine intuitions. Silently let me listen to my inner voice. Honing my finer spiritual skills, let my soul rejoice. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, with your divine cosmic vibrations, let my soul live in harmony. With my own inner impulse, let me be in harmony. The divine mystical experiences have changed my life. Playing with your subtle energies has removed all my darkness and strife. The unity of myself with the universe is the ultimate aim of my existence. Heal my inner self and remove all the resistance. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, through self-realization, let me refine my soul, liberating and humanizing. My mortal world is my goal. Through prayers and channeling of my spiritual energy, I shall emancipate my soul. To heal my inner self is my goal. Advanced levels of concentration, let me achieve. Your universal compassion in my heart let me perceive. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, let your grace be the source of my deepest experience. Deep pain and agony, I shall no more experience. Let me empathize with this world that has hurt me. Let me understand and be one with the darkness that has hurt me. Pain and pleasure are the intrinsic aspect of my life. With your grace, let me fully experience my life. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature, with the forces of nature, let my soul coexist. The forces of darkness, let me strongly resist. The intensity of my soul's predicament, only you can understand. The source of my spiritual sustenance, only you can command. Let me take on the suffering of this world. Let me visualize the anguish of this world. In the sacred earthen bowl, you have planted my soul. O Mother of Nature,